Hello, my name is Nathan Levitt. Today I will be sharing information about the return on investment in instructional design. So what is return on investment? According to Forbes, in business, return on investment, also known as ROI, is a mathematical formula that investors can use to evaluate their investments and judge how well a particular investment has performed compared to others. ROI can be calculated using many different formulas. The most common formula is net income. The equation for net income is net income divided by the cost of investment times 100. For example, if you invest $1,000 into a business and you get $2,000 in revenue, you would divide 2,000 by 1,000 and multiply that by 100, which will give you a percentage of the ROI, which would be 200%. In education, the ROI can't be concretely measured, but according to Smith and Carl, the educational return on investment measures the magnitude of educational benefit and potential impact among stakeholders. Essentially, ROI in education is measured by evaluation. So how does one evaluate the ROI? Before we understand how to evaluate, we must understand what it means to evaluate. According to Razor and Dempsey, evaluation is the process of determining the merit, worth, and value of things, and evaluations are the product of that process. There are two types of evaluation, formative and summative. Formative evaluations or assessments are completed during a training to seek information for improvement, while a summative evaluation or assessment is completed afterwards to grasp an idea of what the audience understood from the lesson or training. In instructional design, there are many different frameworks used to evaluate, used for evaluation. The Kirpatrick Model, the CIPP model, Rossi's 5 domains, and Chin's theory-driven model. Although each of these models are excellent models to use depending on what is being evaluated, today I will be looking at two evaluation models, the Kirpatrick model and the CIPP model. The Kirpatrick model was developed for training evaluation and consists of 4 levels. The first level is reaction. This measures if the learners have found the training to be relevant to their role, engaging, and useful. The second level is learning. This measures whether or not the learner has acquired the knowledge, skills, attitude, confidence, and commitment that the training program is focused on. The third level is behavior. So this measures behavioral changes after learning and sees if the learners are taking what they learned in training and apply it to their job. Last, level 4 is results. So this measures whether or not the targeted outcome resulted from the training program alongside the support and accountability of the organizational members. Next, we have the CIPP model. The CIPP model stands for context, input, process, and product. The context evaluation is the assessment of the environment, which can include goals, objectives, history, and background. The input evaluation involves asking questions that will be used to develop and conduct the program. This can include how much could be invested in the project, what resources will be included. Process evaluation examines the way in which the program will be developed. And last, the product evaluation focuses on the success of the program in producing desired outcomes. There are sub-evaluations of this element of CIPP. There's also the impact evaluations, effectiveness evaluations, sustainability evaluations, and transportality. So in CIPP, this evaluation model can be used in a comprehensive evaluation or also in a standalone evaluation. So which model is more beneficial when considering return on investment? So CIPP evaluation represents a sustained ongoing effort to the organizations and use information systematically to meet the needs and goals of the target audience. The model is designed to promote growth and improvement. When considering return on investment, educators would like students to show growth, which will fundamentally impact the success. The level 4 of the Kirpatrick model focuses on results. In any investment deal, the investor wants to be certain that they are getting the most bang for their buck, which means that if the result shows positive impact, then the return on investment was worth it. I believe that any model can provide the correct information from evaluation needed, but it is up to the investor to identify which model will work best for their program. Thank you.